Hello everyone, welcome back. When you spend a weeks hacking together local lead generation automation pipeline using Olama and Kima just to get basic web scraping and natural language processing working, seeing platform like a Lev8 that handle all of this out of box is a huge wake up call. It essentially acts as an intelligence layer that autonomous find enriches out of prospect across a live web. So today we are reviewing Lev8. This is their website. This is pretty much, and we can just click here around the data, and this is few samples that they have added up here. You can just click a webhook. You can use the score ISP match, and this is how the reports will look like. And I watch your market 24/7. So this is probably agents that will always keep eye your defined filters, and I believe it can send also the emails. And this is a product comparison, precision, cost, speed, and this is beautiful another elements of the page. So this is follow-up leads. Basically they are just showcasing their features, market search, find talent, find influencer, partner program, and all those stuff. So I worked where you worked, integrating thousands of plus apps, zero setup. I plug into your entire stack from the day one. So this tool work with any application that is on the internet, I believe, because I am able to see the Salesforce, I am able to see WhatsApp, Slack, and big data things, Notions, and all those stuff. So we can click on start free trial to just things how the things look like in action. Let me complete the login process and I will get back here. There we go. I have logged successfully, and now we have a pretty similar windows that we are always able to see. Chat window and the left bar is a different type of features. So this is the library. I believe this where the all chat will be stay, like the short chat and all those stuff. Whatever you're doing, it's a key. Basically, it's a history. This is the outreach. If you connect to your Gmail and all those steps, so it will proceed with outreach email. You can configure your company email and all those stuff. And this is inbox, which is task you can create, I believe. I'm not sure, create with an agent. So if you click on create with agent, help me to set up a schedule task, show me what type of task level can run on the schedule, then let me choose how often I would like. Okay, so this is a task type that Lev8 can perform: researching and monitoring, lead generation, outreach, report summarization, data reach, and now it's asking what kind of task you want to. I preferably said lead generate and one time only. And now the things are in action. Got it one time. Lead generation task. Let me get a couple of details. So describe the lead you want to find, include the platform, role, industry, and I want to find customer for my native app change public form creation app. You can search on any platform and it should be mid-size industry. So this is what I'm preferring. So when you would like to run, just run. What it will do: gathering lead generation task, detail, organization, initial thought, clarifying. Thank you. Your app sounds like a native. And would you like to run? Yes, right now. So basically, we can see how the results look like here in a few moments. Okay. So run search plan. Here we go. Look like it's just looking up for people, loading up data table. I love this animation. School one. So wipe coding finish. Okay, so here is a few companies founded and Salesforce as a leading Salesforce consultant Germany. From Salesforce practice helping brand and Ascend and Flood. This is company has match. This is officially recognized as Salesforce consultant app exchange partner and technology. Dallas Europe. This is really good. I used Apollo and I used other tools, but this work a really different way. It just find out a real-time data that what you look for. So as you can see, we just dropped a few prompts like a sample prompt over there, and based on that, it was able to find the leads data. But finding mid-size, but the things are still in progress. Like I have a credits here, so I can use more credit, but now I'm reach out to the 98%. Credit remaining is 492 out of 500. So I think this is how the things will look like. So basically, this is the data. This is medium. This is good. This is excellent. Practice help brand. Deliver connected cross cloud experience with speed, scale, precision has some Salesforce. Okay. So now what is saying? The full table Salesforce App Exchange Form App Prospect is now in your right panel with the company description, website, and the filter. I believe I can do the same thing with Claude. Like if you just add a right prompt in Claude, it can also able to do the same thing. So let me check if I can click available with an active plan. So this is not available, right? So if I click on email, so I can use my email and all those stuff. Okay, so what is next? The next is feed your market monitor. If I set a new feed, what it will do? Select library items. We don't have anything in library. New chat. Let me check what we can do here. Influencer discovery. We are new. AI new tool. This is content suitable creator each on TikTok, and this is this. And now it's still running. Basically, the app Lev8 is, I believe, it will replace the other lead generation tool, because everyone want to just use the AI, but they don't know how to use the AI. They heard from someone AI can do the stuff, but they are not aware of it. They don't know the process and all those stuff. So as you can see, the similar stuff like we did in a create task. Now we have write another prompt, so it's just using the same task workflow, and the same way on the right panel it will start finding up all the influencer and based on the preferences that we set up there. So if I click on save to library, but I think just looking to the people, here we go. This is a precaution. This tool is not sponsored this video. We are doing this video just for provide the knowledge, to share information, and only use this tool for a good purpose. That's all. So click on save library. I can click on save. Now we do have a one library. So what if I go into the feed and I select this one? So what it will do, if I select this one and this, and now click on continue and set monitor. Queuing is required for company signal. query is required for completion. Okay, marketing team. Your opportunity are forming, feed updating soon. So the things are in action now, but still looking. So this is a skill set similar that we build in cloud, but they have provided a declarative way to communicate with each skill. So you can upload more skills here, and you can use by the already available by them. And this is the inbox, and inbox will be only utilized to send the email that I found over there. So feed are still in progress. So basically this is how this tool is work. I will add the URL of this tool in the video description, so you can just find out there and you can play around it. You still have a few credits here. You can utilize that one for the good purpose. It also have few limitations, so that you have to upgrade this tool to be licensed. Like might we have to pay something. So let me click on upgrade. So they have 3 plans, but each plan contain a few credits. Like the first one is 500 credit, and the next one is 5,000, and then is a 25,000 credit. I'm not sure how things will look like and how it will work, but there is a few features that is available only in Pro, like the advanced analytics. If you are a founder and you don't know how to handle the sales team, this is tool definitely for you. You can just sign up and set your preferences, and it will generate the lead and add your email over there, and it will do the stuff for you. So I'm basically interested to buy this one, like AI email drafting and all those stuff for small scale evaluations to use. But let's see what comes next. So I will hunt more products and will get back to you. Bye for today.